Hello friend, now we are going to start the animal tissue. So animal tissue study, so animal tissue is the structural organization of the living body. So how the living body structure form, this is formed through the animal tissues and then it goes to form the organ. So which organ form from the animal tissue? So we will discuss later. So first we goes through the scientific contribution. So study of animal tissue is called histology, which is described by a scientist Mayer, and the founder of the animal tissue or histology is called Marcello Malpighi. So there is the Malpighi layers also discussed. So we will discuss in later classes. So now what is defined the animal tissue? So tissue is nothing, it is just a group of cells having common origin and common function. There are two type of tissues. First is simple tissue and compound tissue. In simple tissue, origin and functions are similar, but in case of the compound tissue, origin and functions are different. So to simple and compound. Now we discuss there are various type of animal tissues like epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue and nervous tissue. So epithelial tissue form our exposed surface. So exposed surface, whatever the exposed surface like skin, so internal part of the organs exposed surface, so formed by the epithelial tissue. Connective tissue help in the binding. So here are the different types of connective tissue. So one by one we discuss. Okay, so here is the epithelial tissues. This is the epithelial tissue. So origin of epithelial tissue from or germ layer. So it is arises from ecto, meso and endoderm. So and the function of the major function of the epithelial tissue, first function is protection, is protect from the mechanical and chemical injury. So it also protect the underneath जो इसकी जो टिश्यूज है उसको भी बचाता है. So ये this is the so it's help in protection, secretions, absorption as well as excretions. Excretion means removal of the waste. Another tissue is connective tissue. So it is arises from the mesoderm layer and help in the packing, binding, storage and transport of the gases, nutritions. So blood itself a fluid connective tissue, so help in the transportation process. The major function is transportation, binding, joints, skeletal. These are the connective tissue. These are the connective tissues. Next one is the muscular tissue, also arises from the mesoderm. So mesoderm layers, so help in the contraction of the muscles. So here is the muscles, how muscles contract, what are the mechanism, how the cells, different cells are. So these are related to the muscular tissue and types of muscular tissue we will discuss. Already studied in the locomotion and movement chapter. So there are the types skeletal, unskeletal and cardiac muscle which is present in, which is found in heart itself. Okay, and next the nervous tissue. So nervous tissue, nervous system, we have CNS, PNS and ANS. So CNS, brain and spinal cord. So all neurons. So neurons and nerves are formed by the nervous tissue. So there are nervous tissue, there are various cells, nerve cells, neuroglia cells, oligocyte cells, ependymal cells, neurosecretory cells. These are the various cells we will discuss in nervous system. So this is all about the origin and function of the all tissues. So now we come to start the one by one. First we start the epithelial tissue. First we start the epithelial. What is the epithelial tissue? How the epithelial cells look like and arrange itself. So this is one goes. So here is the epithelial tissue. So first the epithelial tissue found in external and internal exposed surface of the body. We already told. So here this is the exposed surface. Internally the various glands are present. It also have an exposed surface. So where there the tissues are epithelial. So cells are epithelial niches. Okay. So it form the protecting covering sheath. It form the protecting covering sheath and cells are either single layer or multi-layer. So here the single layer cells, so one layered cells are produced, and here is the multi-layer cells above the cells, another cells. So and all cells are resting on a membrane called basement membrane. So basement membrane, here is the basement membrane, so cells are rest on. So basement membranes are contain two layer, basal lamina and fibrous lamina. Basal lamina made up of glycoprotein, glucose and protein, and fibrous lamina which is embedded into the, which is touched to the connective tissue layer, and also formed by the collagen, connective tissues for collagen. So this is the structure, and the nature of the epithelial cells having continuous cell division and regeneration. So these cells are always divide and degenerate, and the free end surface, here is the free end surface here, having cilia, either cilia or microvilli. So ciliated epithelium, so cilia present called ciliated epithelium, and if microvilli present called breast border. So these help in the secretion process. So there are various cells. So this is the characteristic of epithelial tissue. Now we come to function of epithelial tissues. So epithelial tissues, the first function is the protection. So protections, it protect the underlying tissue, it protect from mechanical and chemical injury. The first function is protection. Second one is absorption. Absorption means already the digested product which absorb into the blood. So our stomach and intestines helps in absorption process. So where the epithelial cells are present and help in absorption process. Next was conduction. So conduction. So few epithelial cells having cilia and which conduct the mucus, spermatozoa or egg, etc. So help in the conduction process. So excretion. So few organs which contain the epithelial cells help in the removal of the nitrogenous waste. So one of the organ, kidney, so kidney helps, so where the epithelial cells are present to remove the toxic waste. So this is excretion. Third, respiration. So our respiratory organ like lungs or alveoli contain epithelial cells, where the epithelial cells help in the gaseous exchange. Secretion, so mainly the glands. So glands are mainly made up of epithelial tissue. So gland which help in the secretion of the substance. And another one is reproduction. So reproduction, so germinal epithelium. So in ovary and testes, so these epithelium is developed, formed by epithelial tissues. And exoskeleton, so it is the exoskeleton like a derivative of skin, hair, scales. This is formed from the epithelial tissue. So these are the function of the epithelial tissue, and here is the type of epithelial tissue: epithelial, connective, muscular and nervous tissue, and how these tissue originate from which germ layers and proper functions. And here is the characteristic features, and all the epithelial cells are rest on basement membrane. So this is all about related to the tissues and epithelial tissue. And next class we will classify the epithelium tissue and how the various cells are connected to one another and form the various structure like tight junction, gap junction, desmosome, interdigitation in finger. These are the various structure form and which help in the exchange, secretion, transportation, transfer to the next cells. So these are, so we will discuss in next class. Okay, thank you class.